First things first, let's get rid of this bloody aerial. I hate aerials. Everybody's got broadband, but they want to put an aerial on top of the chimney. The racket. Right? So we're going to get all this, take all this off, cut this, take it right down, and then get it primed. And we'll put some a bit of steel over the top of it. Okay, so we're going to do a wee mix here, a wee special mix. We're going to have some epoxy resin, some slurry, some high strength concrete, some SBR, and we're going to sort this chimney out here. Okay, we've got all this cracked off. Got a wee primer on it. Some 40 Newton gear. Yeah. Okay, well there's our new cap, reinforced cap. Well, some reinforcing. That's Crumlin Road down into Belfast. I think it's about time we were on that. You know, so if we strip much more of this here, the whole thing's just going to fall apart. At least the top half of it anyway. When I take off anything that wants to come off, like this for example, but otherwise, you know, we're looking at a can of worms here. You know, you could run into big money very, very soon. This back's actually worse, so there's big cracks down. Maybe have to put a bit of steel in here, see how it goes. So we've had a sort of bit of a partial collapse in one of these flues here, you know. Don't think it's too bad. So we can see here, you know, there's been vegetation and stuff growing in here for a brave while. That's why that fern was coming out the back of it there, which hasn't done us any favours, you know. Here's our vertical crack down here, which, that's a wee divider, that's what we want to come apart. So we need to get a few bits in here, a few bits of steel in. First thing to do is to get this built up, get that all closed in again. So we've got this closed in and meshed. Well, it sort of was like a dog's hind leg. It sort of began to look like, I don't know, Jack Russell's back leg. It's not too bad. Well, right nicely. Just see if we can take this dangerous chimney away. Well, it's seen a lot worse, but it's leaning away towards the house badly. Okay, so there's both of them filled. The amount of problems that this stops with condensation and damp and every bloody thing, vented caps, and it's just such a brilliant solution, but very few people ever think of it, you know. But it's worth going the extra mile if you try to work out what is actually going on. And it's so cost effective, and anyway, there you are now, granular insulation and chimney flues. Okay, so there's another one closed in, and now it's home time. Okay, we can see that lead's pulled out there, and also you can see here what's all busted open. The coal face, you can see here, Wes is just hanging apart, taking the dish off. Reason for not put a satellite dish on your chimney. It's literally just tore the whole back off this here. And you can see there, well, it's actually bolted, probably the bolts. Okay, so there we've closed that and stressed that joint at the top. It's all closed in, and we've put some steel in here. We've got steel rod coming across here, and also we've got another steel rod. Palm trees actually love lime. You know what I mean? There's 3 of them on the go up here, which is
So, if it's simple repairs or your dream home improvements, go to Belfast Building and Roofing at www.jgm-ni.com or call James on 02890 160 472 to book your free survey now. Belfast Building and Roofing. Real savings, real comfort.
Hello, James G here. Hopefully you might have learned something from that, and if you come back soon you might learn even more. Anyway, bye for now, and thanks for watching.